Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying where the deleted contacts lived and why they disappeared. Often it's an account sync or an accidental delete. Sign into the exact account that held them, enable contacts permissions, and make sure your device has a stable network. Once done, open account settings and locate backup or restore. This is where the process begins. You act now because many services keep a recoverable snapshot. Later steps will retrieve that snapshot and merge it back into your address book. Next, perform the actual restore. For cloud accounts, use their built-in undo or restore snapshot option. This reverts your contacts to a prior state. If cloud isn't available, import a VCF or CSV backup from your device or computer. For SIM stored entries, use import tools. Once you restore, force a full sync so duplicates are detected and merged. You should watch for conflicts. Decide whether to keep cloud versus local entries to avoid overwriting good data during reconciliation. Finally, confirm that recovered contacts appear correctly across devices and clean duplicates. Then create a fresh backup so you don't repeat this. If some contacts are still missing, inspect other linked accounts, archived groups, or the provider's recycle bin within 30 days. Some systems only hold deletions temporarily. If problems persist, force a resync. Clear the contacts app cache, update, or reinstall the app, and contact provider support as a last resort. One quick tip: don't overwrite a good backup until you're certain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.